Mass to line. It's the only three ways to do this one. Do you see how simple flower design is if you break it down into formulas? There are only three ways to do this piece. All line, all mass, or mass to line. So now, mass to line simply means like a firework. Exploding energy. Roses. So next we'll go to our roses. Just beyond the valley of the hydrangeas goes your roses. So get it? Mass to line. Think of a firework exploding. Mass to line. Massiest to lineiest. These run about 300 to 500 a table. So beyond the valley of the roses goes the valley of the stock. I love them, and I use them in all my weddings because they're great fillers for all the bridal bouquets. They make all their bouquets look bigger. So there's my next level. See how it's blowing out? Mass to line. Now we're going to put our next lineiest flower, which is snapdragons. Mass to line. We'll use this as our last lining material. Almost like a filler. This is Italian uke. Some people call it guna. But this is our mass. You can see the idea of mass to line. Clean off the ends always. So again, you know the expression, spread the wealth. Look what you've got to do it with and spread it around. With a few more roses. So mass to line, get it? I usually do high-low, so I'll do high on one table and low on the other. So there's flowers in everybody's viewpoint instead of having them all up in the air. Almost done. A few more.